Hello pool friends! So I'm out here on the 4th of July and loving on this pool. So today's video you're gonna see me getting this pool vacuumed 2 times, and I'll show you my trick for getting it super duper clean, and it is looking awesome. I've been running my filter about 14 hours a day, 7 and 7, because it's really hot. And I've been vacuuming probably once a week. And so yeah, that's really all that's new. We've been enjoying it. I still got my leg kicked out here, but it's got another thing underneath it, another paver. You guys know that. Yeah, so this is the area, and I love this. Got our misters out, got our shower bag over there. My son said, why is there a backpack? Why is this so water in this backpack? And that's just something fun. And then the elephant ears are loving it over here. These chairs go up there, but if you put them there all day, they stay wet. So when you're ready to sit there, you can sit there. I thought I heard a beeping sound from my filter. Anyways, this is my Intex ultraframe 20-foot, 2-inch off level XTR pool, and I hope to make it last a long time. It is salt water, and if you've been with me, you know that. So let's get into this fun pool video. Thanks for watching. Well, I'm glad I finally figured out what today's pool video is going to be about. So after that morning vacuuming, the pool was looking really nice, and I got all this stuff out of the middle. And then we went for a swim, and we did the whirlpool, and you can see the current because it's moving my hose. And the whirlpool will bring all of your leftover dirt to the middle, at which point you can vacuum it out. And I'm going to vacuum it on waste just to send it straight out of the pool. And I won't be able to film that though, because when I'm vacuuming such messy stuff, hey, thanks for coming back around. I'm gonna have to be taking this cap off right here and taking out stuff that gets stuck in the grate there. So I'm gonna do it without filming it for the most part. Maybe I'll attempt it, but I'm gonna hook this on. Somebody said in a previous video, why doesn't anybody show how to hook this on? First of all, my thing's all dirty because it had duct tape on it. It's not really dirty, it's just duct tape. The reason I didn't tell you how to put this on is because it doesn't have a way. You just kind of push it and it doesn't stay very well. It stays sometimes, but sometimes it pops right off. So thanks, Intex. So anyway, I'm going to try to vacuum this on waste. Oh, see? Doesn't even want to stay. You just have to kind of muscle it, twist it. And we're going to turn this on waste. And do this as quick as we can. Because on waste, it's coming right out of the pool. Oh! Now I'm just draining the pool. Alright, so let's get this on. It should stay. Let's suction. Stay a little better, and I'm going to go ahead and get what's in the middle. And some of this is going to get stuck, but a lot of that is just dirt that I couldn't get. I'm going to go ahead and check how much of that is stuck, because I know it's full. I'm going to go ahead and get that little spot. Oh, and it's about to come off. No! 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 See, it's such a pain. And it just put all that stuff right back in the pool. But I'm here to save the day. I'm going to go ahead and clean this out and finish doing that. But that was the point of this. Alright, so I managed to do that. And managed to have an almost perfectly clean pool for just a minute. And I love that. It is so awesome. And it's 4th of July. And it's been really hot. So happy 4th of July, everybody. And good luck keeping your pool clean. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it. And now I'm going to take the lid off this, and I see some stuff stuck right there, so I'm going to clean this out real quick. So I had to grab my towel because this was hard to unseal. I did let some water out through here just to release the pressure and release the pressure here, and I have my valves closed here, and my valve that comes from the pool here is closed. There. Don't forget to open those up before you turn your pump back on though, because that would be really bad. So take that off. Yep. There's a good amount of stuff stuck in there. Some sand in there. Nothing too major though. Just wanted to make sure we were still flowing. Don't lose your O-ring here. This is really important. Okay. This is going to be the most random pool video I've ever made. Alright, so we're just going to put the lid back on. Make sure we get a good seal. And I'm going to screw that a little tighter. And I'm going to screw that. Actually, I'm not going to screw that in. I'll show you what I do next. I didn't put the basket in. Alright, so let's try this again. I got that sealed on, but I didn't close this. I'm just going to screw it in a little. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this back to filter. And that's going to let that fill up. And then I will screw that. And then lefty-loosey, let this open. And we are ready to turn it back on. So I hope you enjoyed this random pool video. Showed you the solar lights that I put around the outside. Showed you some vacuuming today and just some general maintenance and check on this pool. So I'll catch you in the next pool video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Thumbs up. Have a happy swimming. Bye.